Hi, my name is Luis. I am in the United States, the state of Florida, Ormond Beach City. Today, December 15, 2025, I received the CGX-L mount from Celestron. It holds a payload up to 75 pounds, and I received 3 boxes. This one is the tripod. Then I got the next box, it's gonna be the actual mount, and then the small one is the weight, 22-pound weight. I already have an extra 22-pound weight that I ordered a few days ago, used. So this is the unboxing of the CGX-L Celestron tripod and mount. I need my glasses. I will keep all the 3 boxes just in case I need to send the mount back for repair or anything happen in the future. I'm gonna keep the boxes. Alright, let's go to the second box. Carrie, can you help me real quick here?
How long?
I just like 1 minute. I'm just gonna grab this.
Barbells.
Right. Yeah, it's like 40 pounds. Okay, there's an additional box here. I do not know what is it. You see the mount is right here. Oh, wow. It is the tray. In addition to the hand controller holder and the tray, whoa, I ripped off some rubber pieces. It has 3 rubber pieces, but I put it back in. In the box tray, you can see the tray and the hand controller strap. The tripod weighs 46.2 pounds or 21 kilograms. The aluminum legs are about 3 inches diameter. There we go. Here is the mount. Yeah, nice. It's about 43 inches long. And here is the counterweight, 22 pounds. And I see the manual CGX-L mount, Equatorial mount and tripod. The instruction manual, including a download code in the back for the Saturday night Celestron Special Editions SN7 and another card there. It's another page. Important note in different languages, we recommend saving your telescope box and foam so it can be used to store the telescope when it is not in use. Unpack the box carefully as some parts are small. There's a hand controller, Nexstar Plus. The RA axis, if I'm not mistaken, let me see, RA, I think it's the declination. It was not locked. RA, I think the RA was not locked. Let me lock it now. When you lock it, the level, you push it down. The declination, same concept. When it's down, it's unlocked, it's the opposite. And when the lever is up, the declination is locked. And it has 2 handles, 52.6 pounds or 23.8 kilograms. 2 handles right there. Comfortable to carry it. That's the bottom there, okay. I see a number in the mount, 250603. Don't know what is that, looks like a date. It's about 24 inches tall. And this is the end of the unboxing of the CGX-L Celestron mount and tripod.